Hello, welcome back to another Sophie and Toffee Elvesbox tutorial video. Today, we are going to make a shaker toy. Prepare your colored resin into small cups for the details, like the eyes, the nose on the face. Once you have the colors ready, prepare protective gears like gloves and tools for the project. Please also make sure to be crafting in a well-ventilated room. Use a craft tool or a toothpick to apply the resin onto the face and the other tiny details in the mold. We would recommend using UV resin for the details, as they require a shorter curing time, so you can work on the other parts of the mold more efficiently. Once the details on the face is done, we proceed to pour epoxy resin over the body. For this step, it is important to pour half the volume of epoxy into the bare body mold. This is to insert the Part 2 mold to create the hollow effect for the shaker. Pour only half the epoxy resin needed, and then gently press the Part 2 mold into the bare mold and let it cure for a couple of hours. Repeat the steps for the back of the bear. Pour only half the epoxy resin needed, and then gently press the Part 2 mold into the bare mold and let it cure for a couple of hours. Continue to decorate the base of the shaker with your preferred colors and glitters that you like. Once it's done, we will demold the pieces out from the mold, and we would peel off the excess resin around the project. You can also use a scissor to snip off the excess. If the edges are rough, you can use a nail polish file to smooth out the rough edges around the sides. Put the two sides of the bear together and use either UV resin or glue to stick them together. Pour your glitters or confetti into the hollow space as you like. You can either use water or shaker oil for this project. You can even make a dry shaker if you don't like the mess. Put the light component into the shaker base and place the shaker on top of the base. Now that the project is finished, we hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. See you again soon. Bye-bye.